Today in this video, I'll show you how you can view sensitive content on Twitter. Go to www.twitter.com in your browser. Click More. You will see this option is in the menu on the left side of the page. Click Settings and Privacy. It's in the second section of options. Click Content you see or scroll down to Safety. If you are using a desktop computer, click Content you see in the Privacy and Safety menu. Click Content you see. If you are using the mobile app, scroll down to where it says Safety. Enable display media that may contain sensitive content. If you are using the mobile app, tap the toggle switch next to this option. This allows you to view sensitive content on Twitter. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.